Welcome to the Earth Network, where nature's elegance unfolds in every step and every wing beat. Today, we journey into the heart of Africa to meet a creature of grace and grandeur, the gray-crowned crane, the royal dancer of the wetlands. In the golden light of dawn, where the savannah stretches endlessly and the wetlands shimmer like mirrors, a silhouette rises. Tall, poised, and crowned with glory. This is the gray-crowned crane, a bird whose presence feels like a celebration of life itself. With a crown of golden filaments radiating from its head, it moves like royalty. Each step deliberate, each glance composed. Its plumage is a tapestry of soft grays,